Welcome to JMC News. I am Milan Robin. Today we bring you an important update from India's higher education reforms, the multiple entry and exit system, a key feature of the National Education Policy 2020 that directly impacts college students across the country. The multiple entry and exit system allows students to pause and resume their higher education without losing the academic progress they have already made. Unlike the traditional system, where dropping out means starting from zero, this policy recognizes learning at every stage. Under this system, students can exit a degree program at different points and still receive a formal education qualification. After 1 year of undergraduate study, students receive a certificate, after 2 years diploma, after 3 years bachelor's degree, after 4 years bachelor's degree with research. Students can also re-enter the program later and continue from where they have left off, using the credits they have already earned. To support this flexibility, the government introduced the Academic Bank of Credits. It digitally stores a student's earned credits, which can be transferred between recognized institutions. This ensures mobility, transparency, and continuity in education. This policy was designed to address high college dropout rates, financial and personal challenges faced by the students, the need for flexibility, skill-oriented education. It acknowledges the reality that not all students can follow a rigid academic path and promotes lifelong learning. This system reduces pressure on students, allows learning at one's own pace, encourages skill development alongside academics, prevents wastage of years due to dropouts, makes India education more inclusive and global standard. However, students must also plan carefully as frequent exits without completion must affect career prospects. The multiple entry and exit system represent a shift from rigid education to student-centric learning. It values time, effort, and circumstances, ensuring that education adapts to the student, not the other way around. That's all for today from us. For daily news updates, stay tuned with JMC. Thank you. Jai Hind.